Good morning, class. Today's topic will be doing exploring objects and 3D objects. We're talking about prisms and pyramids. As you can see here, I have my prisms and pyramids. So we're gonna continue with class. Definition, this is the index. So what we're gonna go through today is the definition of 3D objects and what a net is, and then we're gonna do a rectangular prism, which is this one I have here. And then we're gonna do a triangular prism, which is this one I have here. And then we're gonna look at a square pyramid, which is this one that I have. And then lastly, we're gonna look at a triangular pyramid. So this is just triangular all the way. And we move on to the next slide. Definition: what are 3D objects and nets? Okay, a 3D object is a solid with a length, width, and a height. Right? So this is solid, the table is solid, the laptop is solid. Those are 3D objects. And then what is a net? A net is a 2D flat pattern that can be folded into a 3D shape, which is what I use to get these shapes. So these are all 2D shapes, which I will show you in a bit. So the first one we're gonna look at is a rectangular prism. So how can we define a rectangular prism? A rectangular prism is a solid with 6 sides. So if you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 6 sides. And its other properties are that it has 12 angles, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. So we can all count those. And then all faces are gliding equal on each side, on each opposite side. So let me just show you the 2D map of this. So we can break it down. And then now we have the 2D mapping net. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna put that down. Let's move on to the next prism. So the next prism is a triangular prism. How is it defined? We can define this prism by saying that it's a solid with 2 triangle faces, and 3 rectangular faces. As you can see, it's this one which I have here. So 2 triangles, 1, 2, and then 3 rectangular, 1, 2, 3. So this is a triangular prism. It has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. So let me show you the net. This is how the net looks like. Okay. Let's put that down and let's move on. Square pyramid, which is this one in my hand. What is a square pyramid? Let me see. Okay. Square pyramid is defined as a solid square base and 4 triangles. So as you can see, the base is a square and it has 4 triangles, making a square pyramid. Its properties are that it has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. So very interesting shape to look at. Let me show you how we got this shape. With the net. So this is the net. As you can see, this is what we use to get the square pyramid. Simple 5 sides, as you can see, as explained. Let's move on. Last. So we're gonna look at the triangular pyramid, which is a very nice 3D object, because when you look at it, however you look at it, it's the same from each and every angle, because the sides are equal and everything. So how do we define a triangular pyramid? This is how we define it. A triangular pyramid is a pyramid with 4 faces, as we can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 underneath. And what are its properties? Its properties are that it has 4 faces, 6 edges, 4 vertices. So yeah, you can also see on the thing, which I'm also gonna be showing you the real one which I made. I'm gonna break it down. So yeah, this is what we have. This is how we got the shape. So yeah, this is all for today's class, and I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and we'll continue with the next topic next time and next lesson. Thank you very much for paying attention. Goodbye.